What is a cash flow statement? The cash flow statement is one of the three key financial statements, along with the income statement and balance sheet that a company produces. The cash flow statement shows the receipts and disbursements of cash over some period. The cash flow statement also explains how the cash on the balance sheet changes from one period to the next. The cash flow statement breaks down activity into three sections. Cash flows from operations indicate the sources and uses of cash from the company's core business activities. Cash flows from investments, which indicate the sources and uses from the purchase and sale of assets. And then cash flows from financing, which indicates the sources and uses of cash associated with debt and equity financing. The sum of the cash activities from these three categories equals the change in the cash and equivalent account on the balance sheet over the corresponding period. You can find additional educational materials, including our beginner's course on reading financial statements, on our website at fundamentalinvestinginstitute.com.